Yeah, how do we take it to bar?
Well, we have to include the
I think they have a lamp there. Yes.
The other side there's a
Oh,
lamp.
there is?
Yes.
Oh,
When you come from the other side there's a lamp, and this one is stairs.
what I want from you,
Yes.
you have seen, this actually is in your watch.
Yes.
Naona vile mambo ilivyo. This place you can even be walking at night. Unakuja unapita unaangalia what is happening. Hata unaona hizo net. Hiyo net sasa itazuia mtu amekuja malaria. Itazuia malaria kweli? And you are the in charge, madam.
I can donate my 1 million if tengeneza net.
Even renovation.
Kwa 1 million.
Yeah.
From your own pocket or the budget?
Oh, from the budget. My budget.
People don't help government.
No, you can't.
Thank you.
You can't.
No, that one is okay. Ashma will, I think that one will pick it.
Actually,
We will factor it in the supplementary. Okay. I wish that we'd walk around with M.C.As in these facilities. You will believe. Hata barabara is not very important. You know, this is where life matters. Yeah.
actually, when you share budget, you can look for some money, you top up with leaders.
Mtu ambaye anakataa tunatembeza yeye hapa na kamera ziko
This
tunaachilia yeye tunaomba yeye ndiye amekataa, so that we deal with people with the public. Yeah. Kwa hivyo biashara sisi tunakaa kwa ofisi itaanza kama mtanaende. Sio ungekuwa umelala sasa hivi.
Yes, excellent.
Wewe sio ungekuwa umelala na kweli ni hapa. Mzuri umeona. Hapa mjaona, if you go to Ogembo you will see the queue at night. Kubwa. And is in bad state. This one is better. Hiyo hospitali ni nzuri. If you go to Ogembo, you have even there is no generator. Keumbu is farewell. Nazunguka nitaangalia vile mambo ilivyo.